It would appear as though I'm ready for testing. Doesn't seem to go back all the way, but you know what, for right now it's good enough. I stole the spring here off of that old push mower engine that had been run over by a car because the spring seemed to be about right for this, and that had a mechanical governor instead of a wind vane. And this is a mechanical governor. It's right there behind this flywheel thing. It's got two weights that move a fork which pulls a lever. And there's the lever. Here's what's left of the original kill switch. It's there. Just the shroud's kind of pushed to the side or something. It didn't really line up quite right, but it's there. And I gotta pull apart the magneto whenever it is that I replace the spark plug wire in the future, and I'll hook it up again then. But I'm not going to do that until I replace the spark plug wire. So for right now I just short out the spark plug. I'm going to go get some fuel, and I'm going to see if this thing will really run again. I have it in front of a heater here to kind of help warm it up, and I've had the propane salamander there going. So it might be warm enough to actually start. I just gotta set my carb. Let me see. There's 1.5. We're gonna try that. I don't remember what the carb setting was in this, but it had a favorite spot. Also had a loose head bolt. They're actually slotted screws that act as the head bolts on this. There's 4 of them. One there, one underneath this pipe, there's one right here, and one right underneath this elbow. So someday I'll have to take out that elbow and I'll replace the head gasket. And for the first time ever, I got this pipe in there nice and snug. That thing's in there just tight. Got a piece of that rope down here sealing it up. Everything seems tight. It's not loose like it used to be. So, I'm hoping this will actually work. I'm hoping my governor actually works. My governor never used to work. It just kind of got stuck in one spot, and that's where it stayed. Never seemed to over rev, so I didn't really worry about it. This engine has a top rated speed of 1800 RPMs, so it's not a fast engine. It's got a cast iron piston, as a matter of fact. Not a fast engine. Got a good sized zinc flywheel there, so it has some torque, sure. Well, I thought we had a can with a little bit of gas in it, but I guess we don't. This one here just had a little swig in it, so unless I take some gas out of something else, I'm not sure I'll have enough to start it. I mean, there is a little in there, but not a lot. Maybe I'll just steal some out of my Clinton. It hasn't been started in quite a while, but I don't know. I'll see if it'll start with what's in it first. I might get lucky. I don't know. Never do know with this engine. Sometimes if you tilt the back here up in the air a little bit, gets enough gas down at the carburetor, it'll start when it's low. I'll have to try it. I don't have my spray can up here to prime it, so probably won't prime it. Oh wait, I have a hose right here. Alright, I've got a little bit of a gas hose here, so if I have to prime it, I can pour some 2-stroke gas down the cylinder. But feels like it's still lubricated fine, because I was running fine the last time, so everything's probably still coated with oil in there. It's a little stiff. Still seems like it's got fine compression. So, I mean, every once in a while I'd turn it over, so if it wasn't just sitting. Man, this thing's got nasty compression still. Always did.